have another chance to see the northern lights tonight. I know many of us are excited about this. Beautiful colors filled the night sky across East Tennessee last night. This is video sent to us by Lindsay Cooper at the Honey Creek Overlook in Allert. And meteorologist Cassie Nall is joining us now. And Cassie, we were talking about this earlier today. I said, when can I see them tonight? I want to know.
So I've been learning about space weather because that's what, as the station scientists, we have to do. So NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, has a division called the Space Weather Prediction Center, SWPC as they like to call it. And I have been just combing through their different pages here. We are starting to see an increase in the geomagnetic field right now, and they just put out a bulletin for a geomagnetic storm warning because the next wave of the coronal mass ejection is just now starting to move into the Earth's atmosphere. Now, I know it's 4:15 and the sun's going to be up for a little while here. We're not going to see it here just yet. It looks like for tonight, our best time frame, the opportunity to see those northern lights again, is going to be from around, let's say, 7 p.m. until maybe around 2 a.m. Just like last night, it can come and go. You think forecasting the weather within our atmosphere is hard? Let's try the one that's being ejected from the sun and hitting the outer edge of our atmosphere here on Earth. That's exactly what creates views like this. These are what the lights look like in Maynardville last night. And Maggie not only saw some of the pillars in the pink, but also a little bit of green down near the horizon. We also saw beautiful pink color there in Oliver Springs through the trees. And even the LeConte Lodge, now you talk about a great view up there. My goodness gracious, they were able to look back to the north and see the beautiful pinks and some of the greens as well. So here's the forecast for tonight. The KP index is what determines how far south the lights can possibly be seen. And the geomagnetic storm strength is determined on a scale of 1 to 5. Last night's lights happened during a G4, level 4 out of 5 geomagnetic storm, a severe geomagnetic storm. That is what is predicted to occur again tonight, and the KP index will be very similar to last night, should allow it to come down here into the southeast again. By the way, the level in the atmosphere at which that geomagnetic storm particles are meeting with the gases in the upper atmosphere determines the color. So the pink that we were seeing last night was higher than about 150 miles above the Earth's surface, and some of those greens were right at about 150 miles. So much fun, Todd. I'm so excited for folks to have another opportunity to see this again. Right now, it looks like the time frame could be anytime between 7 and 2. So everybody text and call everybody else if you start to see it.